Hey everyone, now we are talking about the research methodology part and the paper which we have selected today for understanding and discussing about research methodologies, consumer behavior, and disposition decisions, the why and how of smartphone disposition. So, disclaimer: this paper is not mine. This paper belongs to the authors, as mentioned here. We have just taken this paper as because this paper is very nice paper and which we can use it for sharing. So let's go to the part of it. Let's read the abstract. Although the scholars describe consumer behavior as a process of acquisition, composition, and disposition, limited to the research is done on disposition decisions. This paper looks into early work of Jacob et al. 1977 and then so on. So herein the questionnaire was distributed to the universities in Malaysia and they have used PLSM to perform the path modeling analysis. Now what are the results? The results say that the low product attachment and the social influence. Look here. Look at this part. The depreciation value causes to discard the smartphones permanently, and remarkably, the brand price have no significant impact on the disposition decisions, indicating that the function of a smartphone rather than the device itself matters more than the disposition decision. That the study provides more insights into consumer behavior and implication on sustainable consumption. So this is a very important thing which will um, make you understand research methodology as well as the another part like PLSM. Okay, so let's go to the research methodology. Let's see what this person has, what the authors have done. So they have had a self-administered questionnaire for data collection. This is their diagram. So what I'll do, all the students, I will give this paper to you for reading, and we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.